We're going to give you an overview of how to pair and set up Apple CarPlay on the Hamilton Motor Company Lexus line of replacement screens. We've gone ahead and started up a unit here. This one is obviously not in a car. You'll click on the button labeled CP Link and then click OK to wireless phone and car. If that CP Link button is not on your home screen, it won't be the first time. You'll need to click the Apps Plus drawer and then click CP Link in there. From thereafter, it will appear on your home screen. Go ahead and pull out your iPhone and then click on Settings and then click on the Bluetooth menu. From there, you're going to be looking for a network labeled BNR with 4 unique characters. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then get a pair code. Go ahead and click Pair. Click Allow to Contacts. And finally, it will say, do you want to use Apple CarPlay? And you'll click Allow when that message pops up. Apple CarPlay will now appear on your screen.